Hi guys, so I'm on the daily time frame and I want to analyze USJPY. So I'm taking my support here. You can look at, let me start from here. I see this support here, turn into a resistance here. As market pull back to this zone here, you can take your sell trade. Okay, down, you can take your first take profit here. You can see market then break this zone again. The same things happening again here. You can see. So I'm expecting USDJPY to be selling, okay, because there was a support there and it got broken, then pull back to that support zone, turning that support zone is then turning to what resistance. So I'm expecting it to sell down USDJPY. But if you want to to see maybe to confirm before you place your sell trade, you can then go to your smaller time frame like your 15-minute time frame to see what the market is actually doing on the 15-minute time frame. Oh, this one like this. So you just have to analyze. You can look for break of structure or change of character in the market on your 15-minute time frame. So you can place your trade there when you see that market starts creating lower low, lower high. But on the daily time frame now, market is up. I'm expecting it to create another lower low. You can see. Let me show you. It has created higher high now. Okay. Then what I'm expecting next is what? It's for it to create another lower low. Okay. So please subscribe for more YouTube video analysis like this. So thank you for watching.